North Huron Wingham firefighters, please respond to 161 Victoria Street East for a basement smoke detector that is going off, called in by the alarm company. Again, that's 161 Victoria Street East. Roger, car 5 acknowledging page 1241.
Fire dispatch, you can show car 3 responding.
Roger, car 3 responding, 1241.
Dispatch, can you have Wingham Police attend as well, please?
Roger, requesting Wingham Police attend as well. And we do have a key holder attending. And she's just around the corner.
Okay, Roger. Disregard on the police then.
Roger, disregarding police, 1242.
Fire dispatch, you can show North Huron Engine 1 responding to 161 Victoria Street. Charlie Bravo plus 3 Belton.
Roger, responding at 124413.
Fire dispatch, North Huron ladder 2.
Unit calling, go ahead.
North Huron ladder 2 is responding 161 Victoria Street East. 4 Belton.
Roger, ladder 2 responding with 4 belted at 1245.
Dispatch, car 3 on scene, nothing showing.
Roger, car 3 on scene, nothing showing, 1246.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Engine 1 arriving on scene. Charlie be command and command will be mobile.
Roger, engine 1 arriving on scene, Charlie command and mobile, 1246. Car 3, go ahead, you're all static.
That's because I was on the wrong channel. Sorry about that. I met with the homeowner. This is confirmed false alarm.
Roger, car 3, you're with homeowner, confirmed false alarm, 1248.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Command, go ahead.
Property's been turned over to the property owner. Command's terminated, all units clear. Return to Wingham Station.
Roger, property has been turned over to property owner. Command's terminated. All trucks, firefighters clear returning. 1251.